going on, guys? It's your boy Dev. We are fishing. We decided to come fishing because that's what we do in the spring and the summer. Found this new spot. Let's see if we can catch anything. Oh, what's up?
Hi.
Hey, buddy.
Hello.
Cute kid. We're gonna try to fish this. She's gonna try to catch something. I don't think she's gonna catch anything. I want to talk to you about my goals, what I want for the end of this month, and what I want to do for next month, and switch some things up, give you guys an update what's going on. And yeah, guys, so let's get to fishing. We'll get to that a little bit later. Oh no, what is that?
Yeah, let's fish them behind you.
Ooh-wee. You about to go catch them fishes. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Let's go get them. All right, guys, didn't really catch much. We're gonna go try a new spot down at the bridge. Always interrupting me when I'm trying to talk. Holy moly. You probably can't hear me, but we're at the new spot. Let's see what we can catch. So guys, we just got done fishing. Oh man, I just hurt myself. I had a boo-boo.
Where?
The little dot.
That's not anything.
That's a dot. Dude, I hurt myself.
That's close to me and I can't see it and I'm blind. You're such a baby.
I didn't really catch anything. Just think because it's raining and we have crappy weather. Let's get back to the crib.
Crib? The house?
My bad. Slang, baby, slang. See you in a bit. Just got back home, man. It's bad outside. So, but let me do a quick update real quick. So last week was a lot better than the previous week before. I ate pretty well. I went to the store. I meal prepped for the week. You know, I had chicken, broccoli, rice, and black beans. I didn't really eat out at all pretty much until like the shorter end of the weekend, so probably like Friday. I kind of had fast food, but you know, things happen, man. But I did eat pretty well over the week last week. I'm super excited because I'm gonna be taking my weigh-in here next week. Making progress, man. Still haven't been to the gym, and there's a pretty good reason. It's a good reason for me. And the reason why I haven't been going to the gym is because I've been eating like crap. I don't feel like going to the gym right now just because of that specific matter. Well, I've been trying to control my eating, and I don't know. I need to break it down into baby steps. Breaking it down from step 1 to step 2 to step 3 is because right now what I'm doing is not really working out too well. Next month, I'm just gonna focus on my eating for 30 days. So the whole month, I'm going to be eating healthy, clean, and I'm gonna be counting my calories. I'm not gonna be counting my specific macros like carbs, fats, and protein. I'm going to be worried about my calories and how much I need to take in. So my calories are going to be a little bit less because I'm not going to be actually going to the gym. And I feel like this way I can actually just focus on that instead of just focusing on eating right, going to the gym, and you know, because I can go to the gym and focus on that, and that, like, I can go to the gym every single day. Like, that's not an issue. The issue is my eating habits. Like, I am the worst. I'm the worst binger. I eat when I'm depressed. I eat when I'm happy. I eat when I'm sad. And something has to change. But yeah, guys, so that's all I wanted to talk to you today about. Yeah, stay tuned till next week, guys. Thank you for looking at my videos, watching my videos. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for following my journey. Like I said, this is just me trying to document my journey. Nothing more, nothing else. You know, if you guys want to watch, that's awesome. If you don't, I'm cool with it. This is more for me right now than it is for you. But if you guys like the way I do things, just hit that like button. Let me know that you're watching. Let me know that, you know, you guys are, you know, supporting me, man. And because I need a lot of support in this. And yeah, guys, so I love every single one of you, man. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Hope you guys keep crushing it. Talk to you soon. Peace out.